Hi. In this video, we're gonna talk about business analyst role and talent. What you can do is once you're logged in, you're on talent trial. You will see this screen. Okay, you might see a different screen based on the. If you log in the second time, you will see a different screen. That's okay. We're gonna come to that as well. So what you're gonna do? I'm gonna click on the analyst, and it's gonna come here. So the first couple of I see a complete journey, kind of an exploration where I go, what I need to do. But if I see there are different modules, so the module 1 and 2 are just videos and introductions. So in module 3, if I go in there, it says launch, and as soon as I click on launch, what's gonna do is it's gonna take me here, and it's gonna give me some introduction. That module 3 is the tour of the data inventory, and it gives me some different tours. I can just click on it, gives me, this is a talent trust score, which is talent's native, it's a own score, which is based on different parameters such as the validity in the data, completeness of the data, usage, discoverability, and popularity. These are different metrics on which it is doing that. And then we have the data quality part, that valid and invalid values, empty values, completeness. So this is basically determined here, that what kind of data quality we have. And then we can see different types of the data, the semantics. So what is semantic is basically, when you fill in the data, it tries to identify that is this data is a phone number, or is it a name of the city, or is it a name of a country, or is it airport, or is it a currency. So whatever it tries to identify, and then see if that particular value that is identified, type is identified, how many values adhere to that particular standard. And then we see the some popularity aspect, which is essentially, see how many people are using this data, if they certified, how people are rating the data, the social aspect. And then usage, that how many people are using in which areas it is being used. And then we have also have discoverability, which is like, it has been tagged, or what kind of custom attribute has been assigned to this one, and do we have added that any descriptions in there or not. And then if it's about sharing, if the people has shared it with others